One of Mary Queen of Scots' favorite residences was Falkland Palace. It was a place that reminded her of France, as well as a place she could go to escape the pressures of political life. She loved the expansive grounds where she could ride horses, hunt deer and wild boar, practice falconry, and even play tennis. Mary was well known for her athletic prowess and love of outdoor activities. Her father had added a tennis court when he renovated Falkland Palace into being one of the finest and most beautiful Renaissance buildings in Scotland. Mary played real tennis or royal tennis. In the early versions of the game, the serve would be performed by your servant, so you wouldn't have to bend down in your expensive, restrictive clothing. To avoid all this, it is said that the young queen decided to wear men's breeches so that she was able to move more freely. The clothing choice caused quite the commotion amongst her guests when the 5'11" lithe Mary nimbly moved around the court. This tennis court, which Mary played on, is now the oldest surviving real tennis court in the world.